Oh, hello there. From the North Sea. I've come out here to celebrate a major birthday. Offshore wind energy in Germany marked its 15th anniversary in 2025. As a renewable source of electricity, offshore wind is growing more and more important every year. And here's where it all began. The Alpha Ventus offshore wind park, Germany's first, started regular operations in April 2010. It was a joint project of utilities EWE, E.ON and Vattenfall from Sweden. The park is about 60 kilometers off the German coast. It had a capacity of 60 megawatts, small by today's standards. Germany's current capacity is over 9 gigawatts, and German turbines generated 25.7 terawatt hours of electricity. So clearly, Alpha Ventus was the start of something big. And something that will be getting much, much bigger. Germany is targeting 30 gigawatts of offshore wind energy by the end of this decade. And it aims to reach 70 gigawatts by 2045, when the country hopes to be carbon neutral. That will be 1/5 of Germany's total generated electricity. The development of this renewable source of electricity is written into law by Germany's Offshore Wind Energy Act. It not only sets production targets, it also determines how sites are chosen, streamlines processes and regulates funding, tendering and grid connection. The Offshore Wind Energy Act made the process of expanding offshore wind energy more centralized and competitive. That drove innovation and cost reductions.
Grid operators are working much more closely together across borders at sea, which we also see as an innovation, and they do this to achieve more efficiency. So, regardless of legislation, companies have a great interest in maximizing efficiency.
One company that's been a player right from the start and will be one in the future is Vattenfall. It now has wind parks all over maritime Northern Europe, and it's currently building the largest wind parks in Germany, Nordlicht 1 and 2. Construction is planned to start in 2026. They should go operational in 2028. Offshore wind is not just turbines at sea, of course. It involves a complex value chain from engineering and logistics to maintenance and decommissioning. So where can international companies get involved? How can they partner with established players?
The industry is already very international, and international cooperation has been going on for a long time and is becoming increasingly important as the expansion of offshore wind is a global issue, especially in Germany, Europe and Asia, to name the leading regions.